Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is featured in deep blue metallic paint with black alloy rims. We have our rear privacy tint, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, as well as backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, phone connectivity, and heated seats. Now onto the interior, we can see we have our black door panel with padded black leather armrest, our chrome door handle. Below that are our window and mirror controls, as well as our speaker, liftgate controls, and storage. Side of the seat, we have our power adjustable seats with lumbar support. And left of the steering wheel, we have our lighting controls. This is for our interior lighting. You can see it's a dial. We can turn it to adjust and push back in so it's not sticking out all the time. We have our gauge cluster with screen, multi-function steering wheel. You can see our cruise control with front collision alert and lane keep assist, and then our controls for our screen, push start, infotainment screen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, phone connectivity, Wi-Fi hotspot, and backup camera. Below we have our radio controls, dual zone climate controls, heated seat options, charging outlets, and our storage pad. All-wheel drive toggle. You can see the orange light on the toggles on to indicate we're in all-wheel drive. We can also put it into two-wheel drive for better fuel economy. Our gear selection stock, 2 cup holders, electric park brake, and additional storage. Then our padded center console lid. Front seats are featured in black and gray fabric with copper stitching and our honeycomb pattern in the lower portion of the seat. And above our rear view mirror, we have OnStar controls, reading lights, 3 garage door openers, as well as our sunglass holder and panoramic sunroof overhead. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our black alloy rims with platinum badge, Chevrolet badge center caps, Equinox badging in chrome, black painted metallic mirror caps. And then we have our blue metallic paint match door handles with chrome lock and unlock buttons, rear privacy tint, fin antenna up top, also in black, black Chevrolet badge, all-wheel drive LT and Equinox badging in chrome. So we have a black, chrome, and blue aesthetic to the vehicle. Open up our power liftgate. Inside we have our Equinox rubber mat and the handles to fold down the rear 60/40. And now moving on to the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, our window switch, as well as our speaker and storage underneath. Back of the front seats, we have our magazine holders in mesh. And back in the center console area, we have our rear vents and charging outlets. And our back seats are a 60/40 split with fold-down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Equinox. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos. And we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.